Hi guys, okay, we met again. So in this video, I would like to show the next example, okay, which included in your KSSM physics textbook form 4. Okay, of course you can read it and you can just go through on your own. But in this session, I would like to show you how can we solve the problems by following my step-by-step method. Okay, let's look at example number 2. A rocket, a launching pad. Okay, again, just like I told you before, if we want to solve any physics problem, okay, it is better for you if you can draw a simple diagram, just show the situation. Okay, a rocket at launching pad experience a gravitational force. So launching pad, kita ada rocket. Okay, we have a rocket. So just draw a simple rocket. Okay, rocket. Okay, rocket. Launching pad. Okay, experience gravitational force. So a rocket and what? Is it rocket and launching pad? Okay, it must be rocket with the surface or with the earth, with the earth. Okay, okay, rocket and earth, between them, so there is gravitational force. Okay, rocket will experience this force. Okay, and then given that the gravitational force strength or the magnitude of force F is equals to 4.98 times 10 to power of 5 Newton. Okay. And then given also, okay, mass of Earth, ME, okay, ME 5.97 times 10 to power of 24 kilogram, and mass of rocket, I just write it as MR 6.3. Mass of rocket, what is mass of rocket? Okay, it's not, mass of rocket is not given. Okay, send a distance between center to center, so R is 6.37 times 10 to power of 6 meter. Okay, we just have this uh, data, and of course the gravitational constant, which is equals to 6.67 times 10 to power minus 11 Newton meter square kg minus 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 data. Okay, and the formula involved is, okay, always write the formula. So first write the formula, F equals to Gm1 M2 divided by R square. In this case, okay, of course you can convert this ME to M1, okay, and MR is 2, or you can just use the same symbol, G equals to ME, mass of Earth, times mass of rocket divided by R square. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, okay, let's say I want to use this one, MEMR. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, write again the equation. Okay, let's write again the equation. So F equals to G, gravitational constant, mass of Earth, mass of rocket, okay, divided by distance between center to center, and don't forget the square. Okay. And then what we'll be doing, we will substitute the value. Okay, before that, I just forgot what the question asked for. Okay, the question asked for what is the mass of the rocket. So they want mass of the rocket. Okay, so here let's put mass R is needed. Okay, that's why they didn't give us the value for mass of the rocket. Okay, they just leave it and they ask us to find the mass of the rocket. Mass of the rocket. So we have F, G, M, E, M, and R square and R. Okay. Of course, you can substitute the number here, F, G, M, E, and R square. But for me, I would like to arrange the equation first. Depends on the value that I want to find. Let's say for this one, okay, for this one, I want to find the question asks for mass of the rocket. So what we are going to do, okay, we make mass of the rocket as our subject, okay. So mass of the rocket, just leave mass of the rocket there alone. So we have force r square. We bring it on our left hand side. It will be become multiplication fr square divided by okay g over m e. Okay, so you need to familiar this position, okay, this change of position which you had learned in your mathematics, okay, so that it will be easier for you. So now after I change the position, make our mr as our subject, and then I will substitute. So mr equals to f. What is the value for f? F is the 4.98 times 10 to power of 5 Newton, okay, times r square. So times, just put a bracket, r square. What is r square? So r is 6.37 times 10 to power of 6 meter square. Okay, don't forget the square. Divide by GME. So what is value for G? It is 6.67 times 10 to power minus 11. Okay, you can write the unit there, kg minus 2. Okay, and time with mass of Earth. So mass of Earth is 5.97 times 10 to power of 24 kilogram. Okay, and then next step, okay, I will try to solve it part by parts. Okay, let's try to solve the upper part first. Okay, the upper part first. That means the first one. Just simplify the number so that you know you will not miss out the numbers, because there are a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to work with a lot of numbers. So try to work it step by step. Okay, next we try to simplify the upper part first. Okay, just take out your calculator. Here I have my calculator. So the first one, okay, 4.98 times, okay, I don't use time, I use 10 to power of 5, okay, here, times 6.37, 6.37, shift exponent 10 to power of 6. Oh, there is square there, so I would need to put bracket. So bracket 6.37 shift 10 to power of 6, and then you need to square. Okay, then you need to square the number, and then this is the answer for the upper part, which is equal to okay, the upper part is 2.0207 times 10 to power of 19. Okay, the unit is Newton. Okay, this one is Newton, and then meter square. Okay, meter being squared, so it become Newton meter square. Okay, the lower part. Okay, let's try to solve the lower part. Okay, take out your calculator, and then okay, bracket without power. So just multiply directly. 6.67 shift extend to power of negative 11. Okay, times 5.97 shift 10 to power of 24. And then you will get the answer for the lower part is equals to this one. So it is 3 times 3 Let's erase first. Okay, it's okay. So 3.98 19, so 2 times 10 to power of 14, and the unit is, if you want to write the unit, it's okay if you don't want to write the unit, but for me I prefer to write the unit. So I can see, so n m square, okay, this is n m square, and kg minus 2, kg minus 2, and then this one is kg and minus 2, it will become kg. Okay, it will become kg. Okay, and then what you need to do, you will get, okay, you will get, so mr, so ng, okay, this one, sorry, this one will become minus 1. Okay, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So again, take out your calculator. Okay, already got, this is our last answer. So you just to write this number, okay, this number, okay, 2.0207, okay, shift 10 to power of 19, okay, divide by, okay, divide by this number, which is our last answer. Do you have our last answer? What is last answer? Answer. Okay. Okay, it's okay if you don't have the answer. Okay, divide. Yes, this is ANS answer. Last answer. So we will get, okay, this value. So it is equivalent to 50745.98 unit. N cancel out, m square cancel out, kg minus 1 we bring above, it will become kilogram. So it is the unit for mass. So this is the answer, or we can write it in our standard form, 5.07 times 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 kilogram. So this is the mass for the rocket. Okay, let's check my answer. Okay, yes, it is 5.07 times 10 to the power of 4 kilogram. Okay, let's look back. What is my step? Okay, so again I will write the step first. Okay, sketch the diagram, take out given, okay, data given, and then okay, before substitute, okay, write formula, and then fourth step, okay, make the one that question asked for as our subject. Change subject, and then substitute, okay, substitute, simplify, okay, then I just simplify, meaning that I solve the first part, the upper part, and then the lower part, okay, simplify, and lastly, okay, final answer plus unit, okay, don't forget the unit. Okay, so that is my step how to solve the question. Okay, so maybe after this you can try a few questions that you have, and if you have any problems, you can just post it in the comment below. Okay, so for me to help you to solve any question regarding to these topics. Okay guys, thank you.